Check out this new laser I just bought. I'm just playing. Today we are going to open up the Vertigo from OneLaser and Lens Digital, and that machine that I just dropped was already broken, so you don't have to worry about that. We're going to talk about how Maker.Studio is coming out with a cool Tumbler app, and how we will be doing all sorts of videos on the Vertigo for those tumblers that we create. Stay tuned.
This box has been sitting in my garage for the past few months. This is the Vertigo from Lens Digital and OneLaser. We backed it on Kickstarter because, well, first, we wanted to support some friends in the industry. They built a really unique machine, and we just absolutely loved the idea that they made. And second, because we already knew we wanted to build a software for tumblers. Even back then, we had a pretty clear vision of where we wanted to go. Over the past year, our team has been completely focused on building Maker.Studio. We hired CAD developers, we brought on GIS specialists, we've expanded our team, we've rebranded from Laser Map Maker to Maker.Studio. We built a brand new design studio for the layered map software and got our upcoming 3D map application ready to launch. We're still a lean team, so every bit of energy went into building the software. And this box just kept getting pushed to next week. Well, next week finally arrived, and honestly, the timing couldn't be better because this machine is exactly what we need for what's coming next. Most people know us from maps, but maps were never the end goal. They were simply the first application. Our vision has always been much bigger than that. We want Maker.Studio to become the place where makers go when they need to create, almost like Canva, but built specifically for makers. The next step in that vision is Tumbler Maker. As someone who has owned a laser business, I've lived through the process of designing tumblers. You measure the cup, create your artwork, print a test, wrap it around the tumbler, make the adjustments, and eventually you cross your fingers and engrave on that actual cup. If it's wrong, you just wasted your time and money. I can't tell you how many blanks I've ruined over the years because something was just a little bit off. And that's the problem we're trying to solve. Our goal is simple. You open Maker.Studio, choose the exact tumbler you're working from with our supported library, and immediately you're designing on a canvas that's already sized for that specific cup. Import your own artwork, build a design from scratch, or customize it however you like. As you're working, you'll actually see your design wrapped around a live 3D model of the tumbler, so you're not guessing what the finished product is going to look like. For me, that's one of the coolest parts. Seeing your design on the actual product before you ever turn on your laser gives you so much more confidence. And yes, we're building support for full wraps. We knew from the very beginning that that had to be part of the experience. One thing that surprised us during development is just how much customization mattered to people. It isn't enough to add a name anymore. People want graphics, SVG libraries, layouts, patterns, and the ability to make something that's completely their own. So we're building Tumbler Maker to grow over time with supported drinkware, more design assets, and more creative tools as we continue developing it. Our goal is to launch with more than 50 supported tumblers, and this won't be sold as a separate product. It's simply to become another application included with a Maker.Studio subscription. That's really the big picture. Whether you're creating layered maps, 3D terrain maps, Tumbler wraps, or whatever we build next, we want one place where makers can design with confidence instead of fighting complicated software. Every application we build starts with the same question. What part of this process wastes the most time, and how do we eliminate it? Once Tumbler Maker launches, you'll be seeing a lot more of this Vertigo. We'll be creating tutorials, projects, gifts, and real customer products so you can see exactly how everything works from design to finished product. If that sounds interesting, head over to Maker.Studio and join the waitlist. Our goal is to launch within the next 60 days, and everyone on the waitlist will be the first to hear about it, along with our early bird perks. I'm really excited to finally get this machine set up, but even more excited to show you what we're building next.